Can you read the poem?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Bed in summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by it. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still chirping on the tree. Or hear the grown up people's feet still singing past me in. And does it not seem odd to you when all the sky is clear and blue? And I should like much to play to have to go to bed by day.
Okay. Alice, you try.
Yes, sir. Bed in summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to
Alice, what's up? Person, you try.
Okay, sir. Bed in summer. Winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quit the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still chirping on the tree, or hear the groan of people's feet still pass me in the street, still pass me in the street, when all the sky is clear and blue. And I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day, to have to go to bed by day.
Okay, good. Aviral,
Sir, looking from book or looking from screen?
look at the
I
look
will
at
read.
look at the screen and read. Aviral.
Bed summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still chirping on the tree, or hear the grown-up people still singing past me in the street. And doesn't it seem odd to you when all the sky is clear and blue, and I am so like much to play to have to go to bed by day.
Okay, Miraj.
Bed in summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by a look and the light. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still chirping on the tree, or hear the grown-up people feet still singing past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue? And I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day.
Okay. This is Quite. This is quite. Quite means very much. Quite. Okay. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way. I have to go to bed by day. This is the other way, not the other way, okay?
The other way.
The other way, because there is a vowel sound. I have to go to bed and see the birds still chirping
The
on the
other
tree,
way.
or hear the grown up people's feet still singing past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue, and should and I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day. Okay, the writer of this poem is R L Stevenson. He writes poems for children. He is a children's poet. He has also written many beautiful stories. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now let's go for questions. Okay. So what is the title of the story?
Okay, sir.
What's the title of the poem?
Sir, what?
What's the title of the poem?
Blood in summer. Blood in summer. When sir is asking question, that time write the question. Don't say directly answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Write the question.
Yes, sir.
Did you write it? Sophia, what's the question?
What is the title of the poem?
Who is the right? No. What's the title of the poem? Correct. Yeah. What's the title of the poem? Short answer is
Yes, sir. Bed in summer. Bed in summer.
Bed in
summer. Yes, sir.
Bed in Summer.
Bed in summer.
Okay. Now the full answer.
The title of the poem is Bed in summer.
Did you write?
Yes, sir.
So which letters are capital in your answer?
Sir, next question. Sir, next question.
Which letters are capital in the
B and S. B and S.
B and S? Okay, good.
Sir, next question.
Next question. Who is the writer of this poem?
Sir, who is the writer of this poem? Yeah.
Who is the writer of this poem? Do you remember who is the writer of this poem?
Yes, sir.
Who is the writer?
R L Stevenson. R L Stevenson.
R L. Can you spell Stevenson?
S-T-V-N-S-E-O-N. S-T-V-N-S-E-O-N.
S-O-N. Is that right? Look at the poem. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, next question is, did you write the full answer?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, go ahead, write.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finish.
Okay, repeat the answer.
The writer of this poem is R L Stevenson.
Okay, Twinkle. Twinkle, read your answer, Twinkle.
The writer of this poem is R L Stevenson.
Okay, R L Stevenson. Dilsa, you read.
Stevenson, sir.
Read your full answer, Dilsa.
Sir, what are you saying?
Full answer.
The writer of this poem is R L Stevenson.
Stevenson.
Full and Stevenson.
Okay. Miraj, you read.
The writer of this poem is R L Stevenson.
Stevenson. Okay. How many stanzas does the poem have? Next question. How many stanzas does the poem have?
3. Sir, next question. Sir, 3.
Repeat the question.
Wait, first write the question. How many stanzas does the poem have?
How many stanzas does the poem have?
Let's say
How many
three.
stanzas does the poem have?
Three now. Three. Three.
Okay, full answer.
Three stanzas.
Okay. Okay, Nispol. Okay, Nispol, you say.
The poem had three stanzas.
Have or has?
Yes.
Why has? Alice?
Yes, sir.
Why has?
There is dot. Because there is dot in the question. Because there is dot in question.
Correct.
Because there is.
Okay, correct.
Because there is dot in question.
There are three stanzas in this poem, okay? How many lines does each stanza have? How many lines does each stanza have?
Sir, four.
Repeat the question. Repeat the question, Alice.
How many lines does the how many lines does the stanzas have?
Hmm. Okay, overall, repeat the question.
How many stanzas? How many lines does it stanzas have?
Stanza. How many lines does each stanza have? How many lines does each stanza have? How many lines does each stanza have?
It's singing of birds. Birds. Something is singing of birds.
So, is there any word in this stanza, second stanza?
No, sir.
Okay, now go to the last stanza. Is there any word you don't know?
No, sir. We know all.
Yeah, you know
We know
all.
all.
Okay. Okay, next question. When does the poet get up in winter? When does the poet get up in winter?
Winter.
Yeah. When does the poet get up in winter?
At night. At night. At night. At night.
Okay, look at that.
At night.
At night.
At night. At night. At night.
At night, you are right. At night. Full answer.
The poet gets up in winter.
The poet
The
gets
poet got up in winter at night.
got up,
Yeah. No,
gets, there does,
No, got. Gets.
gets. The poet gets up at night in
at
winter.
winter. At night.
Next question is
The
how.
next question.
Next question is how does he dress up in the dark?
How does
How does he dress up in the dark?
say again?
How does he dress up in the dark?
How does
Not how does.
how does so ah he dress up. How does he dress?
Dress up
He dress. By yellow candlelight. By yellow candlelight. By yellow light.
using candle light. Using candle light because it is still dark. Because it is still dark, so he burns a candle and then in the candle light he.
Stop in the dark using candlelight.
Sophia, you say.
Sir, answer.
Hmm?
He dress up
Dress or dresses
using candlelight in the dark.
in the dark. Okay. So how do you spell the word dress up?
Dresses.
Spelling? Britain.
Dress.
Oh, Dresses. How do you read Dresses? Dilsa.
Dress.
Dresses. How do you read?
Dresses.
Okay. Next question is what color is the candle light? What color is the candle light?
The candlelight. Hello. Color. Hello.
Correct.
Color is
Write the answer.
the yellow.
Full answer.
The color yellow. The color of candle is candle yellow. The candle light color is yellow.
Wait. Okay, wait a minute. Swarson. How many words are there in the question? How many words are there in the question? Six words. How many words you have to write in the answer from the question? Five. What is the auxiliary verb?
I J K L M O P.
is. From is, how many words are there?
Three.
From is.
The color of candlelight is yellow.
Now see this. How many words you can write from the question? Only 4 words. Because auxiliary verb is. Yeah. So your answer will be Arshi.
The
Miraj, you say. Ah,
candlelight is yellow.
correct.
The candlelight is yellow.
The candle light is yellow. All right. Okay, when does the poet go to bed in summer? When does the poet go to bed in summer? When does the poet go to bed in summer?
When does the poet go to bed in the summer?
Look at the poem and say.
Other way.
When does the poet go to bed in summer?
Other way. Go to bed.
By day.
By day.
Write the full answer.
Sir, I am right. Wrote.
Okay, say.
Sir, the poet goes to bed in summer by day.
Okay, what sounds does he hear from his bed? What sounds does the poet hear from his bed?
What?
Can you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what sounds does he hear? Look at the poem.
Sir, the grown up people's feet.
And only one sound.
And still singing past me in the street.
Singing. Singing of the birds. And footsteps of people. Yes. Now, how to write this answer? Full answer.
The poet hears,
Hmm.
hears,
Yes.
hears singing of the bird and footsteps of people from his bed.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Write that. The poet hears singing of the birds and footsteps of people from his bed.
No, sir. The next question.
What color does the sky look?
What color does the sky look? Sir, blue.
Blue. Okay. Now answer. Full answer.
The
Yeah.
sky, the sky color looks blue.
The sky.
The next question.
What is the full
The
answer?
next question.
The full answer.